Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Bubbly. So today, today what we're going to see is that I'm going to show you one product or a material that I use to work on my upper lip and chin. Generally, I go out and get my eyebrows done because when I try and get my eyebrow done myself, it really pains, so I go out and I get it done. But I like to get my upper lip and lower lip all by myself, and I feel it very comfortable and I do it very often. So I'm not really ashamed to say that I thread my upper lip and lower lip. There's nothing to be ashamed of. It is a natural growth that you have, and you need to remove it, because if you don't feel comfortable, you need to remove it. I've seen a lot of women with a lot of facial hair and they are okay with it, and so if they are comfortable in their skin, then we shouldn't be making fun of them or putting them down that they have beard and moustache. There's nothing wrong in it, because I have been body shamed a lot of time whenever I try and do a threading for my upper lip and chin. I've always heard people say that, oh, you're shaving. So I believe it should not be that case. Women should not be body shamed for having facial hair. There's nothing wrong in it. It's very, very natural, so everybody has facial hair. Some have more, some have less. That shouldn't be a judgment point for anybody. So I support all the women there who have facial hair, and if you are bold enough to carry it, kudos to you. If you're not really comfortable, yes, you can go ahead and take it out, and there's nothing to be ashamed of. So I am not ashamed of it. So the product that I'm going to use today is very, very simple. This thread. Yes, you must be wondering what thread is this. This is a regular thread that you use for stitching. That is a thread. So I don't buy any special thread for threading. Any thread which is lying around, but it has to be stiff. So any thread which is lying around, I just go pick it up, and just before I leave to work, or when I'm going out, when I'm trying to apply my lipstick and I see a lot of facial hair, I go ahead and start threading it. So today I've not been threading it for quite some time, and I feel that there are some facial hair on my chin and on my upper lip, so I'm going to do this. So what I do is that I cut it to a reasonable length like this, and the two ends, I have these two ends, so I just put a knot there. The knot is done. So when you put the knot, you have a circle kind of thing, right? So it is all sealed everywhere. So what I do is that I hold it like this, and on my right hand I keep trying to turn it so that it becomes this way. So you have this in between. So this is going to do our job of threading. Threading is usually you try and you pluck it out, but a lot of people do not know the actual way to thread, and it has hurt my eyelids so many times, and I've bled so many times. You're not supposed to lock it in the hair and pull it. You're supposed to just gently move the thread, not pull the thread. So very well, people who know the technique, good for you. If you do not, please, I would suggest you learn and then you work on anybody. So now, without any further delay, let's get and start threading. So I'm going to do my upper lip. If you're able to see it, I have quite some hair. You must be wondering, it's not paining. It pains like hell. all done, guys. I've done, the threading is done. You can see the difference. It looks fresh, and I think I have some more hair here. So all done, guys. I've removed all my facial hair, you know, my upper lip and my chin and lower lip and the chin. I have a cut here, so that is why I have a growth, so I remove it from time to time. And so this is how I do the threading all by myself. I feel comfortable when I do it because I know the kind of pain that I can withstand, and I can stop and then redo it. Because if you go to the parlors, they just do it for the work's sake. There's no passion that, or they don't even think if the person is in pain or not, so they just go ahead with that. So I prefer to do it at home. If it's possible, I would do my eyebrows myself, because I know it will take some time, but I'll do it you know, with a lot of patience. So with that, we come to the end of the video, and I will meet you with another interesting video next time very soon. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you get notification of the future video that I upload, right? So I'll meet you in another interesting video, guys. Stay beautiful.